Hi guys, did this rubber band powered car for Doc Inc. and he's just watched the video and he's asked another question. What happens if we only use one rubber band on one side or just on the other side rather than having the matched pair? Basically, does the axle twist at all? And to be honest, I expected it would, but I just tried it and it didn't. Must be because I've got a stiff enough axle and there's the actual hole that the axle goes through is long enough to prevent it twisting. At least that's how I'm trying to explain it. But we'll just give it a quick run up and down the kitchen to demonstrate. So we'll just do one side and not the other. So I'll do the yellow side. Wind it up. You can see the pink band is just hanging loose. And it went perfectly straight. I was surprised. I gave it a try, and because it worked, I thought I'd better video it to prove it. So I think it's because of the thickness. The thickness of that is preventing the actual twisting or bending. What am I saying? The thickness of the chassis is thick enough to stop the axle bending in the middle and pulling the wheels off to one side or the other. I'll try the pink side. We have actually gone a bit to the left, but I think that's because I launched it left rather than the axle bending. We'll do that again the other way. You've got to remember, my cars don't go particularly straight anyway, because you can see the wheels are wobbling around and all the rest of it. So I'll just say that again, it doesn't seem to matter if I use both rubber bands or just one rubber band. And I think it's because my chassis is wide enough, just that arm there is wide enough to prevent the axle being bent by the tension of the rubber band. Or even if it does bend, it's only bending on the outside of there, and the rest of it's keeping straight. Either way, whatever it is, it's not doing what I expected. I expected it to bend and veer off to one side or the other, And in fact, it doesn't. Brilliant.